In today's video, we're talking about the P219B code, what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it. So first off, what is P219B? This code points to an air-fuel ratio imbalance on bank 2 of your engine. Basically, the engine is getting the wrong mix of air and fuel on one side. And when that happens, it can mess with your car's performance. You might notice sluggishness, rough idling, or even worse, damage to the catalytic converter. That's why it's important to get it checked out. All right, what could be causing this? Here are the top 3 reasons. Leaky or damaged air intake. If your air intake system is compromised, it could cause the wrong amount of air to enter the engine. Clogged or leaking fuel injectors. Fuel injectors need to spray the right amount of fuel. If they're clogged or leaking, the air-fuel ratio will be off. Faulty oxygen, O2, sensors. These sensors monitor exhaust gases and send feedback to the engine control system. If they're not working properly, they can give false readings, causing an imbalance in the air-fuel mix. Symptoms of code P219B. Check engine light, CL. This is the most obvious sign that something's wrong. Poor fuel economy. If you're filling up more often than usual, the imbalance could be affecting how your engine burns fuel. Engine misfires or rough idle. The engine might not run smoothly, especially when idling. Now, let's talk about how to fix the problem. Here's what you should check first. Inspect the intake system for any visible leaks or damage. Check the fuel injectors. Make sure they're not clogged or leaking. You can test their spray pattern. Test the O2 sensors. If the sensors are faulty, replace them. This will help the engine balance the air-fuel ratio correctly.